10 insanely cozy bike camper setups are changing the way people travel by turning ordinary bicycles into compact mobile mini homes. These creative designs combine comfort and mobility, offering everything from fold-out tents and trailer cabins to solar-powered micro-campers. Built for adventure lovers, they make long-distance cycling more practical, cozy, and self-sufficient. Number 1. Travel Bike Camper by Maxime Derache. The Travel Bike Camper by Maxime Derache is an innovative micro-mobile home designed for cyclists who want to combine travel and camping without relying on traditional accommodation. Built as a compact trailer, it attaches to a bicycle or recumbent trike, offering a unique blend of mobility, sustainability, and comfort. The camper measures approximately 2 meters in length, 0.76 meters in width, and 1.37 meters in height, providing just enough space for a single 8-new to lie down and rest comfortably. Constructed from lightweight materials like aluminum, wood, and fiberglass, it weighs around 30 kilograms, making it easy to tow even on long journeys. Inside, it features a mattress, storage compartments, LED lighting, charging ports, and a small battery system supported by a solar panel for basic power needs. The design also includes ventilation openings and a clever foldable seating arrangement, transforming the sleeping area into a sitting space. As of now, it remains a prototype/DIY concept, so there is no official US market price, but similar bike campers typically range between $4,000 to $6,000 in the USA depending on features. Number 2. Wide Path Camper. The Wide Path Camper is a unique bicycle-powered mini camper designed for eco-friendly travel and compact living. Built in Denmark, it functions as a foldable trailer that attaches to a standard bicycle, allowing users to explore long distances while carrying their own mobile shelter. The camper weighs around 40 to 45 kilograms and can be folded down to a compact size for easy towing, making it suitable for both urban and outdoor adventures. When expanded, it transforms into a surprisingly spacious living unit with a seating area for up to 4 and a sleeping space for 2 adults. The interior measures approximately 290 centimeters and includes cushions, a small table, and about 300 liters of storage space. Constructed from durable fiberglass and lightweight materials, it features ventilation openings, polycarbonate windows, and optional add-ons like solar panels and kitchen kits. The camper can be set up in just a few minutes, making it highly practical for travelers that move. In the USA, the starting price is approximately $3,900 to $4,000, depending on customization and extra features. Number 3. Hupi Solar-Topped E-Bike Camping. The Hupi Solar-Topped E-Bike Camping Trailer is a modern and innovative solution designed for long-distance, eco-friendly travel using an electric bike. Created in Finland by Urpo Upi Merenmaa, this camper combines the comfort of a small caravan with the efficiency of an e-bike setup. It features a fixed roof design with a height of about 150 centimeters, providing more interior space compared to typical low-profile bike campers. Inside, the camper includes a convertible layout with a full-length compartments are built under the bed, and the insulated aluminum body ensures durability and comfort in different weather conditions. One of its standout features is the rooftop solar system, typically ranging from 150 watts to 250 watts, which powers lighting, a mini fridge, and can even recharge the e-bike battery for extended trips. Weighing around 68-78 kilograms, it is specifically designed for e-bikes to handle the load efficiently. In the USA, the starting price is approximately $6,500 to $6,700, depending. Number 4. Wandering Home 2 by Kacey Wong. Wandering Home 2 by Kacey Wong is a creative mobile living concept that blends art, architecture, and social commentary. Designed by Hong Kong artist Kacey Wong, this project is a follow-up to his earlier Wandering Home series, focusing on the idea of portable living in dense urban environments. The The structure is built on a tricycle platform, forming a compact, movable shelter that reflects the struggles of homelessness and rising housing costs. The design uses lightweight materials such as metal framing, wood panels, and recycled components, making it easy to move through city streets. It includes a small enclosed space where a person can sit, rest, or sleep, emphasizing minimal living and mobility rather than luxury. This project is more of an artistic and experimental installation rather than a commercial camper, highlighting social issues through design. It has been displayed in exhibitions and public spaces as part of Wong's exploration of home and identity. Price is $1,000. Number 5. The GoCamp Flevobike Bike Camper. The GoCamp by Flevobike is a lightweight and compact bike camper designed for cyclists who want a simple yet comfortable camping solution. Developed by the Dutch company Flevobike, this camper transforms from a small trailer into a spacious tent within minutes, making it ideal for touring and outdoor adventures. The design focuses on portability, with a low towing weight of around 38 kilograms, allowing it to be easily pulled by most bicycles. When folded, the GoCamp acts as a cargo trailer to carry gear, while at the campsite it opens into a raised sleeping platform with an integrated tent. This elevated bed keeps users off the ground, improving comfort and protection from moisture. The durable fabric tent offers weather resistance, while the aluminum frame ensures strength without adding excessive weight. Additional features include storage compartments, quick setup mechanism, and compatibility with standard bikes. Price is $3,500. Number 6. Bicycle Caravan by Gentleman Style. The Bicycle Caravan by Gentleman Style is a beautifully crafted, vintage-inspired bike camper designed for travelers who appreciate style, comfort, and simplicity. Built with a focus on aesthetics and functionality, this caravan features a handcrafted wooden exterior that gives it a classic and elegant appearance while remaining practical for touring. It is designed as a towable trailer that can be attached to most bicycles, making it suitable for slow travel and scenic journeys. The structure uses lightweight wood panels combined with a sturdy frame to keep the weight manageable, typically around 35 to 45 kilograms. Inside, it offers a compact sleeping space for one person, along with small storage compartments for essentials. Some versions include fold-out sections, ventilation windows, and weather-resistant coatings to handle outdoor conditions. Its design prioritizes comfort with a cozy interior and efficient use of space, making it ideal for minimalist campers. Although not mass-produced, similar custom builds in the USA are estimated to cost between $2,500 and $5,000, depending on materials, craftsmanship, and added features. Number 7. SHIWAGIN Bike Trailer Tent. The SHIWAGIN Bike Trailer Tent is a practical and budget-friendly camping solution designed for cyclists who want convenience and mobility during outdoor trips. This innovative trailer easily attaches to most bicycles and serves as both a cargo carrier and a compact tent system. Built with a lightweight steel or aluminum frame, it typically weighs between 20–30 kilograms, making it easier to tow compared to heavier bike campers. When folded, it functions as a storage trailer for carrying camping gear, groceries, or travel essentials. Once at the campsite, it quickly unfolds into a tent with an elevated sleeping platform, keeping the user off the ground for better comfort and protection from moisture. The tent is made from durable, weather-resistant fabric, providing basic shelter against wind and light rain. Additional features often include ventilation windows, zippered doors, and simple setup mechanisms suitable for beginners. Its compact size and affordability make it ideal for short trips and casual campers. In the USA, the estimated price ranges from $800 to $1,200, depending on model and features. Number 8. DIY Bicycle Caravan by Jorg Skowronek. The DIY Bicycle Caravan by Jorg Skowronek is a creative, handcrafted mobile camper designed for bicycle touring enthusiasts who enjoy building their own travel solutions. This unique project showcases how a compact caravan can be constructed using lightweight materials such as plywood, aluminum framing, and recycled components. It is designed to be attached to a standard bicycle, turning it into a functional touring setup. The Caravan typically weighs between 30 to 50 kilograms, depending on materials and customization, making it manageable for long-distance travel. Its small but efficient interior offers a sleeping space for one person, along with minimal storage compartments for essential gear. Some builds include fold-out panels, ventilation windows, and weatherproof coatings to enhance comfort during outdoor use. The design emphasizes simplicity, affordability, and sustainability, making it popular among DIY campers. Since it is not commercially produced, costs vary based on materials and tools used. In the USA, an estimated build cost ranges from $800 to $2,000, depending on quality and features. Number 9. Velocamper by Uli Rollt. The Velocamper by Uli Rollt is a unique DIY bicycle caravan designed to bring the comfort of a mini RV to bike touring. Built in Germany, this compact camper is constructed using insulated composite sandwich panels, offering durability and weather resistance while maintaining a relatively lightweight structure. The empty weight is 75 kilograms and can exceed 100 kilograms when fully loaded, making it best suited for use with an e-bike. Inside, the Velocamper features a comfortable 0.8 by 2 meter bed with a quality mattress, along with built-in storage compartments accessible from both inside and outside. It also includes opening windows with insect screens, a roof hatch for ventilation, and optional features like an awning and portable cooking setup. The trailer rides on 16-inch wheels with integrated braking systems, ensuring stability during travel. Designed for 1/8 NU, it focuses on comfort, insulation, and practicality for longer trips. As a DIY project, material costs are around, while a complete version would be priced between $5,300 and $7,400 in the USA, depending on build quality and features. Number 10. Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper. The Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper is a compact and lightweight camping solution designed for cyclists who want a simple and efficient way to travel and rest outdoors. It works as a hybrid between a bike trailer and a pop-up shelter, allowing riders to carry their camping gear while also having a small sleeping space when stopped. The design focuses on portability, quick setup, and minimal weight, making it suitable for long-distance bike touring and weekend adventures. The structure is built using a lightweight aluminum frame combined with durable waterproof fabric, ensuring protection from rain, wind, and light outdoor conditions. When folded, it functions as a cargo trailer for transporting essentials like food, tools, and luggage. Once opened, it transforms into a small tent-style sleeping unit with basic ventilation and ground insulation for comfort. Its simple design makes it easy for beginners to use, with fast assembly and disassembly. In the USA, the estimated price for the Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper ranges between $1,200 and $1,800, depending on build quality and included accessories. In conclusion, these bike camper setups prove that you don't need a big vehicle to explore freely. With smart design and innovation, your bike can become a complete tiny home on wheels.